guys, it's Swirly Curl. Welcome back to another video. I recently ordered a couple Douglas from Amazon and I'm super excited because they came today and we're going to unbox them. The package literally got delivered like 10 minutes ago and it's huge. I can't wait to show you guys. Let me go get it. Oh my gosh, guys, this package is huge. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but like, oh my gosh, it's freaking huge, and it's from Amazon. So we're gonna open it and see who's inside. That was actually surprisingly easy. Watch me like jinx myself. There they are. Alright, so you guys can see I ordered 2 new Douglas. So we'll pull out this one first. Oh, okay. So we got this one first. Put the box over there. All right, and let's see. So as you can see, I got Sinclair, the Douglas Australian Shepherd. Oh, let's see if I can open this. Glad I brought the scissors. Be very careful. Don't want to cut her or him. It's always a bit of a struggle using one hand to open stuff. Scissors aren't that great. Okay, at this point, I should just be able to pull the puppy out. There we go. Get the wrapping off. Oh my gosh, guys. Get out of here. Look. Oh my goodness. Has a little bit of box fur. Oh. Look how cute with the little nose. And it's like that faux leather. It's not like the hard one, because I know like some Douglas have like a hard nose, but this one has a soft nose. Oh, look at the little face. And it's got the brown eyes. Like most Douglas have these really beautiful reddish brown eyes. Oh my gosh, and the fur is so soft. I love the Douglas that have like the longer fur. So nice. And as you can see, Douglas, the cuddle toy, and Sinclair, the Australian Shepherd. So cute. It's gonna go right there. Okay, let's pull out the next one. Oh, look at, he's so scrunched. That face though, okay. Get you out. I will free you, child. I will. Okay, this might be a little bit difficult. Sorry, the dogs outside are going crazy. Okay. So that's nice. It's open on this side, but it's taped. Okay, we got it. I should just be able to. I got a butt. Okay. That's really not working. Let's just try to do this. Yay! He's free! Oh my gosh, look at this scrunched face. Oh. Alright, it should kind of fluff out if we mess with it. But look, oh my goodness. Oh, see, like I was saying, this is one of the Douglas that has the hard nose, whereas the Aussie has like a soft faux leather nose. This one, yeah, he has a hard one. Oops, falling over there. But oh, and the fur on the German Shepherd is shorter than the fur on the Aussie. Stand you back up there. Nope, okay. Sit up. Oh, maybe? Nope, okay, too bad. Well, that's okay. Anyway, like I was saying, the fur is a bit shorter. It's still super soft. Like, I would have to say they're both equally soft. I love the face on this one. I was fortunate to get ones with good faces. I know some of them may look a little bit off and derpy, but yeah, these look great. And yeah, so as you can see, this is General, the German Shepherd by Douglas Cuddle Toys. And yeah, oh my gosh, I love these. So I think these are roughly 12 inches, like it said. But yeah. Okay, so that's General. And then we have Sinclair. And I'm not gonna keep the names, like I know some people just keep the names like of the Douglas model that it already comes with, but I like to kind of have my own names for, you know, more originality, to give them a little bit more character. But yeah, I haven't really decided kind of what their names are gonna be yet, but yeah. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see ya in the next one. Later.